I'm Bobby Linkamer on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, and I'd like to invite you to visit my website at writeanonfictionbook.com. Marketing on the internet really doesn't cost you money unless you do something like Google Ads, which I have not done, but the idea is that you pay per click. So for every person who would click on your website, you would pay Google so much money, and they would steer traffic to your website. You can spend a fortune, an absolute fortune, on things like Google Ads. Somebody told me that he does this and that he has built his online business doing this, and how much he's spending a month. It's more than I own. I mean, my total net worth is less than he's spending a month. So that is one extreme, which is Google Ads.